Dear students, viewers and learners, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with RK। इससे पहले कि हम आज की अपनी स्टडी को आगे चलाएं, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि इसके बाद मेरे वीडियो लेक्चर्स ऑल्टरनेट डे में आपको मिलेंगे। एक दिन का गैप लेकर आई विल बी अपलोडिंग माय वीडियो लेक्चर्स, सो इट्स फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन। Okay, so today we are going to study the modal verb would and its uses. So let's get started. The first use of would is to show or express habit or repeated action in the past. Past की कोई habit या repeated action को we express using would. Keep in mind, in such case we can replace would by used to, or we can use the second form of verb also, that also gives the same sense. For example, I would read for hours without break in my college days. College days में मैं घंटों तक पढ़ लेता था. It was my habit, or this was my action which I used to do repeatedly. तो ऐसी repeated action हो या कोई past habit हो तो we can express using would. One more example we can see here. My father would walk me to school when I was a kid. तो जब हम kid रहते हैं, बच्चा रहता है, तो he can't go to school by himself, तो he needs somebody's help. So here मेरे फादर मुझे स्कूल ले जाया करते थे when I was a kid. So it was a repeated action of the past. Or we can take some examples. We would play cricket on every Sunday. हम संडे को क्रिकेट खेलते थे. In this way we use would to express past habit or repeated action in the past. But see here, I would live in Delhi in early 90s. You know, 90s, 80s, 70s. If I say 90s means the period from 90 to 99. If I say 80s means from 80 to 89. तो मैं early 90s में दिल्ली में रहता था. So here we cannot use would because it doesn't show action, rather it shows state. So never ever use would to show any state or possession. When we use have to show possession, so we should not use would with have. इन सच ए कंडीशन, हैव का प्रयोग हम पोजेशन शो करने के लिए यदि कर रहे होते हैं तो प्लीज डोंट यूज वुड विथ हैव. सेकेंड यूज टू शो चॉइस और प्रेफरेंस. व्हेन वी शो आवर चॉइस और प्रेफरेंस, हमारी प्राथमिकता वरीयता को बताना होता है या चॉइस को बताना होता है, तो वी यूज वुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I would rather take tea than coffee. मतलब मैं किसे ज़्यादा प्रेफर करता हूँ. I would rather take tea than coffee. तो here you prefer tea to coffee. So when you have two choices and you want to show preference to one of them, then you can use would rather, or we can also use would sooner, but would rather is more common. Similarly, we have two choices, dancing and singing, and you want to show your preference to dancing, then you can say, or we can say we would rather dance than sing. हम सिंगिंग करने से ज़्यादा प्रेफर किसे करेंगे, डांसिंग को करेंगे. So when you want to show any choice or preference for a particular thing, so you can start the sentence with would rather. थर्ड यूज टू एक्सप्रेस पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट और ऑफर। यदि कोई बड़ी विनम्रता से आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अपना ऑफर रख रहे हैं किसी के सामने, तो यू नीड टू यूज वुड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुड यू हैव सम राइस प्लीज, यू कैन यूज प्लीज ऑल्सो। तो सी, वी कैन use will and could also. We can also say, will you have some rice please, or you can say, could you have some rice please. But could and would are more or less same. They make the request polite. So here we are saying, would you have some rice please, it is equal to please take some rice, थोड़ा भोजन लीजिए. So you are expressing an offer, we can say. और यदि आपको किसी कहना, would you dine with me please, क्या हमारे साथ भोजन करेंगे. would you spend some time with us, क्या हमारे साथ आप कुछ समय बिताएंगे. तो if you are offering something, then you can use would. At the same time, to express polite request also we use would. For example, you are dining and you have a certain guest, then you need water. Then what can you say in that condition? Would you pass me water please, or would you pass me salt, क्या आप थोड़ा नमक पास करेंगे. तो in such condition we can use would. Here we are making a polite request. One more thing, we can use would mind plus ing form of the verb. It too is very nice way of making a polite request. Would you mind telling me the time means please tell me the time. Or you can say, would you tell me the time, would you mind telling me the time. But keep in mind, when you use mind in such condition, you need to use the ing form of the verb. Would you mind sitting by me? Would you mind telling me the answer of this question? So in this way we can make a polite request. So this is all about the third use of would to express polite request or making an offer. Now we are moving on to the fourth use, which is to express refusal. Here we use wouldn't, which is equal to refused to. Refused to. Here wouldn't is equal to refused to. For example, he was angry, he wouldn't talk to me. वो नाराज था, क्रोधित था, and that is why he did not talk to me. So we are using wouldn't in the sense of he refused to talk to me. Why? Because he was angry. So when you want to give the sense of refuse to do something, then you can use would. He was angry, he wouldn't talk to me means he refused to talk to me. Second example, if you become late and somebody asks you, why are you so late? So you may give the reason by saying, my bike wouldn't start, so I am late. Up here if we say my bike refused to start, it sounds unnatural, but the meaning is same. My bike didn't start. Yeah, when I tried to start it, it didn't start, something like that. So when you want to give the sense of refuse to do something, so we use wouldn't. Fifth use, see here, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं काश ऐसा होता. काश मतलब क्या है? इट शोज योर रिग्रेट. वी कॉल इट पोइटिक रिग्रेट आल्सो. सो टू एक्सप्रेस रिग्रेट, देखिए कोई रिग्रेट एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुड दैट इट वर ट्रू. सी द स्ट्रक्चर, वुड दैट इट वर ट्रू, काश ये सही होता. और यू कैन आल्सो से वी विश इट वर ट्रू. मान लीजिए जब किसी की उपस्थिति ना होने का रिग्रेट एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं किसी कार्यक्रम में, तो वुड दैट ही वर हियर या वी विश ही वर हियर। सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विथ वुड दैट। देखिए सेकेंड सेंटेंस, कोई आपका फ्रेंड है, वो IAS ऑफिसर बना, जो उसके फादर का ड्रीम था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली हिज फादर डिड नॉट लिव टू सी हिम become an IAS officer. So you can express your regret by saying this sentence. Would that his father had lived to see his son become an IAS officer. काश उसका पापा या फादर उसको IAS ऑफिसर बनते देखने के लिए जिंदा रहता। In this condition we use would that. It's going to be the sixth use. Very important, and we often use such sentences in our conversation. देखिए, there are 4 conditionals: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. So we will be discussing about zero conditional and first conditional at the appropriate time. As of now, we are taking only second conditionals and third conditionals. Second conditional, it expresses unreal situation, impossible situation, hypothetical situation, imaginary situation we can call it, बिल्कुल यहाँ संभावना ऑलमोस्ट नील होती है। जैसे आज की स्थिति में अपन कहें कोरोना पेंडेमिक के कारण पढ़ाई बाधित है, एग्जामिनेशन बड़े मुश्किल से हो रहे हैं, तो यू कैन यूज द सेकेंड कंडीशनल हियर। इफ आई वर द CM of Madhya Pradesh or of any other state, तो if I were the CM, I would give general promotion to all students without exams. बिना परीक्षा के सबको मैं जनरल प्रमोशन दे देता। If I were the CM, it is an unreal condition. ऐसा कहीं से कहीं तक आपको संभावना नहीं दिख रही है। तो when you say second conditional, तो we use if plus V2. if वाले वाक्य में सेकेंड फॉर्म होगा, सिंपल पास्ट होगा, एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ would plus V1. We can use could or might also, which we shall see later on. Second sentence is if I won the lottery. यदि मैं लॉटरी जीत जाता, which is unreal. आपने लॉटरी में पैसा ही नहीं लगाया, you are just making an imagination. यदि मैं लॉटरी जीत जाता, प्योर आप एक कल्पना कर रहे हैं, तो I would buy an expensive car. एक महंगी कार खरीदता, है ना। If I were there, मैं वहाँ होता, I would not let it happen. मैं ऐसा होने नहीं देता. If I were a bird, यदि मैं पक्षी होता, I would fly to you. मैं उड़कर तुम तक चला आता. So whenever you are expressing unreal or imaginary condition, तो we always use the past form of be. We always use were, even if the subject is singular. If he were, if she were, if it were, तो हमेशा were का प्रयोग करेंगे because it shows unreal situation or hypothetical situation है ये. So you can make many more sentences. Just like आप बैठे अच्छे खासे बातचीत कर रहे हैं और एक इमेजिनेशन आपके मन में आता है कि if a tiger came here, where would you go? यदि यहाँ शेर आ जाए तो तुम कहाँ जाओगे? It's unreal. I think you got it. Now we are coming to third conditionals. Third conditional में जो होगा if वाला जो clause होगा that will be like this: if had V3, and second will be would have V3. Here also we can use could or might. इसमें past की एक incomplete कंडीशन या इनकम्प्लीट इवेंट को अपन एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, जो हुआ नहीं। जैसे मान लीजिए आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, ही पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द रेस कॉम्पिटिशन बट ही डिड नॉट विन द रेस बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट रन फास्ट। तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? इफ ही हैड रन फास्ट ही वुड हैव वन द रेस। यदि वो फास्ट दौड़ा होता तो ही वुड हैव वन द रेस, वो रेस जीत गया होता। वन मोर थिंग, यू कैन स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस विदाउट यूजिंग इफ. For that you have to use the inversion form. You have to start the sentence with had. Had he run fast, he would have won the race. This too is acceptable. You can start with had also and then you don't need to use if there. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि भाई आपके मित्र ने आपको इनवाइट नहीं किया इसलिए आप उसकी मैरिज सेरेमनी को अटेंड नहीं किया. यदि आपसे कोई पूछता है भाई क्यों नहीं आए तो शादी में, तो यू कैन से हैड ही इनवाइटेड मी या इफ ही हैड इनवाइटेड मी आई वुड हैव अटेंडेड हिज मैरिज सेरेमनी. यदि उसने मुझे इनवाइट किया होता तो मैं उसकी मैरिज अटेंड करता. इनफैक्ट ही डिड नॉट इनवाइट यू and therefore you did not attend his marriage ceremony. तो past की जो है incomplete है. One more example, if you had been with us या had you been with us, यदि तुम हमारे साथ हुए होते तो we would have enjoyed a lot. हमने बहुत आनंद लिया होता. You may be talking of any party or celebration. So dear student, this is all about the important uses of would. There are some more uses, like if you want to express your desire or inclination, तो such sentences start with I would like to, we would like to. जैसे आप बोलते हैं I would like to talk to you, I would like to dine with you, मैं आपके साथ खाना खाना चाहूँगा. You are expressing your desire or inclination to do something. We would like to go on picnic on the coming Sunday. So when you want to express your desire or inclination, you can use would like to. I think these are the most important uses of would, which will help you become a fluent speaker. I think my video lecture must have provided you good things, and if it is so, please, once again I say you, never forget to subscribe, share, comment and like my video lecture. Thank you very much.